Hello guys, what I'm going to tell you today is how you can use your Eagle Vision in Assassin's Creed Shadows, okay? Which is, is a prime feature of Assassin's Creed. It's pretty much essential if you want to locate enemies, okay? So this thing, is only going to work when you're playing with Naoe, okay? Doesn't actually have, Eagle Vision, which is a big disadvantage in my opinion, okay? But how are you going to use this with Naoe? You're going to basically press V on your keyboard. You're actually going to hold V on your keyboard, okay? So let's hold it for a couple seconds. And then look what's going to happen here. You're going to have basically your enemies marked in red. And also the other enemies that are basically a lower level, that are very, very easy to kill, are going to be marked, in orange, okay? So this is going to work to basically pinpoint where your enemies are, okay? And you can actually use your Eagle Vision in conjunction with your, focus mode, which is this one here, by pressing your, right click, in order to locate enemies forever, okay, to track enemies. So as you can see here, I can track them automatically, okay? And after I go out of this Eagle Vision by pressing V again, by holding V again rather, I'm gonna see where these enemies are, which is pretty cool, okay? So yeah, keep in mind that you can also do this with Naoe, okay? I mean, only with Naoe, but not with Yasuke, okay? Now, how are you going to do this if you're playing console? I'm just going to show you here. Let's go to our options. Let's go to controls for a second. And then I basically want you to press this right joystick, okay? I want you to press on it, okay? Actually to hold it, okay, while you press on it, okay? So just hold and press this right joystick, okay? And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, guys.